Eggs are often considered one of the healthiest protein sources on the planet, and for good reason. First, they're packed with essential nutrients like high-quality proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them an excellent complete protein source. What's more, eggs are incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, poached, or sunny side up, they can be part of any meal. Pasture-raised organic eggs are the best type of eggs to consume. If you can't raise your own chickens for eggs, then a local farmer's market is a great place to buy your eggs. Eggs contain incredible fat-soluble vitamins that are essential for supporting your brain, hormones, and eyes. They also have a wide variety of minerals and trace minerals. Eggs are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, choline, carotenoids, and antioxidants. Not to mention that eggs have certain anti-inflammatory properties, a wide range of antimicrobial properties, and immunoregulatory properties. They also have properties that can potentially help counter cancer and tumors, as well as support the immune system and help lower blood pressure. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient vital for brain health and narrator. Contrary to past misconceptions, research shows that eggs do not significantly impact cholesterol levels in most people. In fact, they can help increase good HDL cholesterol. Additionally, eggs are a great source of vitamin D, crucial for strong bones and overall immune health. Eggs are the healthiest protein in the world because they offer a combination of essential nutrients, support brain function, and contribute positively to overall health. So, don't hesitate to incorporate eggs into your diet for a tasty and nutritious boost. It plays a crucial role in memory and mood regulation. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.